If you want to increase your search traffic, pay attention. Because I'm going to take the guesswork out of SEO for you by sharing my sneaky two-step SEO process. First, you're going to use my intelligent spreadsheet to steal all of your competitors' best keywords. It will automatically find all of the easiest to rank for keywords with the highest search volumes. And it will tell you the intent of the keyword before checking if it's possible to steal a featured snippet. Once you've selected your target keywords, we're going to fire up my backlink theft sheet, which automatically analyzes your competitors' link profiles and tells you which backlinks you should focus on stealing first. I mean, why go to all the hard work of creating an SEO strategy when your competitors have already done it for you? With these two spreadsheets, you'll be able to create an intelligent SEO strategy for your website in minutes. So, sign up now to download my personal spreadsheets and start taking control of your search traffic.